It don't shell, oh, it don't shell. It don't happen, oh, it don't happen. Asari Dokubo and Ipob, it don't shell. This one is should I say lion fighting the goat? I be goat fighting the lion. Asari Dokubo has drawn a battle line between him and the indigenous people of Biafra, and he has sent them a message replying them. Meanwhile, before I go bring you the full details of that news, that information, if this is your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like and share. Please don't listen to this news without subscribing to our channel. Let's go. Asari Dokubo said, "You have no respect." Asari Dokubo replies, "The indigenous people of Biafra." You could imagine such a momentum, such effrontery, such morale that is in Asari Dokubo, and the reason why he is what is making him to reply to the indigenous people of Biafra that way. Maybe because he felt that his papa, Webi Tinubu, has gotten into power. Meanwhile, during the time of Buhari, Asari Dokubo was not talking that much. He was not even saying a word. He was calm and quiet. But as he stands now, he has become very vocal. And not just that he has become very vocal, he is even violent as he stands now. Meanwhile, let's go. Former Niger Delta militant Asari Dokubo has taken a sweep at the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, for labeling him a freedom fighter turned bunkering militant and political thug. In a video released on Tuesday night via social media, Dokubo described the Ipob people as slaves who would have continued to be solid if not for the intervention of the British government. The ex-militant said, "The Igbo people do not know their roots. They don't have respect for who bought their father. You think every Calabari man is a Calabari man. See how the Igbo people are dying. They keep saying that I have run away. Look at me, I am here." Dokubo, who brandished an AK-47 rifle in the video, added that Igbo people are just attention seekers. Dokubo, during a visit to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, said Nnamdi Kanu was a criminal who contributed to the crisis that emerged from nationwide EndSARS protests across the country, hence should face the music. Reacting, Ipob, through a statement by its media and public secretary Emma Powerful, said Kanu is not a criminal but has become a political prisoner for championing a sovereign state of Biafra. Ipob added those campaigning for the continuous detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS solitary confinement forgot that militancy for monetary gains is in the same category of criminals and terrorists. The Biafran group noted, from freedom fighter to bunkering militant, from militant to ex-militant, from ex-militant to oil pipeline guard, from pipeline guard to Biafra agitator, from agitator to ex-agitator, from ex-agitator to political thug, from thuggery to a government informant. Wash a pig, clothe a pig, and a pig will always remain a pig. My people, the battle line has been drawn. This one is what is called battle of words, and I hope this battle of words is not going to translate into a battle of armor. Because the two sides are very strong. Well, meanwhile, Asari Dokubo has been very chameleon in nature. He has been chameleonic, if I should put it that way, in nature for a long time. If you look at it, looks as if Emma Powerful just went into Asari Dokubo's profile and drew out everything. Look at what Emma Powerful said. It will marvel you. He said, this is what Emma Powerful is saying to Asari Dokubo. He said, from freedom fighter to bunkering militant. What you'll be naming them? One. From bunkering militant to ex-militant, that's two. From ex-militant to oil pipeline guard, that's three. From pipeline guard to Biafra agitator, that's four. There was a time Dokubo was supporting what Nnamdi Kanu was doing at the Biafra agitation. He was very into it. I don't know what actually happened. Maybe because he has been offered some peanut and he decided to. Because from what he said he will continue to sell Ndi Igbo just like his fathers did. So if I think that statement connotes that maybe he has taken some peanuts on Alangari, Akazu, and betrayed the agitation struggle. Then from ex-agitator to political talk, they watch him because there was this Asari Dokubo was talking on his video. He said that his men are the ones guarding some of Nigerian territories, that the soldiers are not doing any work. Then from Togri to government informants, then Ipob said, wash a pig, clothe a pig, and a pig will always remain a pig. Nah, I don't shell. Meanwhile, well, I am yet to understand why Asari Dokubo is so much against Ndi Igbo at this point, and why he is making a lot of incisive statements. This statement that Dokubo is currently making concerning Ndi Igbo is very incisive, and his reasons are yet to be known. Maybe because he felt that Ndi Igbo did not support Tinubu. But the question is Asari Dokubo na him be mouthpiece wey go dey talk for Tinubu? I've been awaiting. Because they say now why fella sing that song? Fella say Nyanga wake am, Nyanga dey sleep, rat go wake am. Nyanga dey sleep, you go wake am up. Wetin you dey find? Na palava you dey find. And of course you know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet, and most people who kicked against that guy has faced the dance. And I don't know what is going to happen to Asari Dokubo at this time. I think Asari Dokubo should go and face his community, face his people, face his Kalabari people. Kalabari has not yet been developed like that. Kalabari is still underdeveloped. Kalabari still have a lot of things that could be done in Kalabari, but he is not focusing on that thing, but he is focusing on other things, talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There are other political talks that Asari Dokubo could have engaged in. Many things that is happening in Nigeria. The issue of fuel subsidy, the issue of Naira devaluation, the issue of insecurity that is happening in the nation. These are matters that are going on in the nation that Dokubo could have engaged in, but he has chosen to make sure that he paints the Igbo people blue and black to let people know that maybe the Ndi Igbo are nobody. But well, he has started the music. I believe that he will face the dance as him and what is called Emma Powerful has entered into this battle of words. Meanwhile, obodo adịla ka ọ ga-adịcha asị na egbu dike na ọgụ nọ mgbọsị ọgụ eze eme gịnị achọbakwa dike maka na the way Nnamdi Kanu is now he is a dike no, and many people has been kicking against this guy because he has been one of the people who is speaking openly. Should I say he is anti-government, but not really anti-government. He speaks directly, and he speaks like a prophet to what is happening in the nation. He speaks like a prophet. Yes, look at when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu spoke about that one day in Nigeria, people will use their own money to buy the Naira. Did it not happen? It happened. So there are few politicians who could open up and speak just the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is speaking. They are rare. Those politicians are rare. It's hard to find politicians who can speak openly, especially in today's Nigeria, where people are not allowed to speak openly. Meanwhile, Tinubu just entered office, and it looks as if he's a president that is going to be allowing press freedom, because one of the best thing that can happen to any state or government is to have a state, a president, a government that allows press freedom. It enables people to air their views, voice out their plight, and speak for themselves. Meanwhile, I'll be winding down the curtain here. And if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever we are posting, you will be the first to collect. And thank you for listening. God bless you.